With the election just a week away, there are a couple of hot propositions on the ballot.
And today, Governor Otter endorsed one of them, the Medicaid expansion, also known as Proposition 2.
KPVI News That Works For You reporter Deanne Coffin is live in the newsroom with more. Deanne.
Thanks, Matt and Marlise. If Prop 2 is passed, it will expand Medicaid and provide health care for thousands of Idahoans who fall into the state's health care coverage gap. I spoke to Chamber of Commerce officials today who also support the expansion.
I haven't got a clue what you're talking about.
Was the response when asked if Josh Martin knew anything about Proposition 2, the Medicaid expansion ballot initiative, while others say they are still unsure.
Yes, I think it's a good idea. I do. And I think we'll have more Idahoans getting better health care than we have currently. But we'll see. I still haven't made up my mind.
If Prop 2 is passed, it will expand Medicaid and provide health care for the 62,000 Idahoans who fall into the state's health care coverage gap. Beginning today, Governor Otter will appear in television, radio, and mail ads in support of Proposition 2. Pocatello-Chubbuck Chamber of Commerce CEO Matt Hunter says the Chamber's Legislative Council has endorsed Medicaid expansion since 2014.
And so the Chamber has been on board with it since the signature gathering campaign. So we've been on this for quite a while, and we think it's important for the business community in Idaho.
Chamber officials say a healthy workforce is a productive workforce, and access to medications and treatment for medical conditions for Idahoans will benefit business.
So it's good for healthy employees. It's good to save costs, the money we're spending to treat people in the emergency room. We're already paying a lot of taxes to the federal government that actually support Medicaid expansion in other states. So we should bring that money back into Idaho and expand Medicaid here.
Governor Otter said in a statement that allowing the health care coverage gap to persist any longer is not an option. Otter says Prop 2 will bring $400 million of our tax dollars back to Idaho and will keep rural hospitals and county clinics open. Out to the Idaho Freedom Foundation, who say Governor Otter's ad falsely portrays Prop 2's Obamacare as an Idaho-grown solution, but they say it was planted in D.C. In a statement released today by Idaho Freedom Foundation, President Wayne Hoffman, he says passing the Medicaid expansion would not return imaginary Idaho money from other states that have implemented Obamacare. Rather, the expansion would increase federal deficit spending and add billions to the national debt. Reporting live in the newsroom, I'm Deanne Coffin, KPVI News That Works For You.